Hi, my name is Amira Boland, and I'm the Federal Customer Experience Lead at the Office of Management and Budget. People have maybe heard me say this before, but my favorite part of my job is that every week, almost, I get to learn about some new corner of the federal apparatus and some new function of government that I didn't even know that I needed to be thankful for, and I'm suddenly so grateful exists. And also get to meet the amazing people that are delivering government in so many different ways and in so many different places. So I think of my customers as these amazing civil servants all across government who intuitively know how to make their programs more customer focused and know who their customers are and what they could do to better serve them, and just face, implementation challenges and last mile barriers that prevent them from being able to coordinate internally, coordinate across federal agencies. And so coming from a place where I was working more on the public-facing, front-facing federal services and working to improve service delivery, to now being someone that can be a connection point between that front line and those at the center of government that have the levers to try and reduce some of those or completely eliminate those barriers. One of my proudest moments this year was in one of our 2019 High Impact Service Provider Deep Dives, when the HISP lead told me that in 2018 we couldn't even spell CX, and look at us now. And we were going through an entire CX strategy and program that they built as part of the I-11 Section 280 guidance, and we're now implementing and doing many CX type activities like collecting customer feedback for the very first time. And so that's why we're all here and why I'm here. And I'm so excited that I feel like there's some really good momentum building, and that we've really helped to provide some air cover and excuse to get to do this work for so many folks, again, that intuitively wanted to do this and knew how to do it and just needed some lift.
My name is Courtney Winship. I am the Chief of the Digital Services Division at U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. We serve individuals looking to lawfully immigrate to the United States and the American public. One moment I am most proud of is observing a 70-year-old man apply online for his naturalization. He was the first one ever in the whole United States or elsewhere to apply for U.S. citizenship online. The pride and excitement on his face and on my team's is something I will never forget. And now we've served millions.
Hi, I'm John Wagner. I just recently retired as the Deputy Executive Assistant Commissioner for U.S. Customs and Border Protection. And as I look back on my career, it was very rewarding to be able to develop programs and new procedures and apply technology to make life simple and more convenient and more secure and safer for international travelers. And programs like Global Entry or Automated Passport Control or Mobile Passport Control, or the things we were doing with facial recognition, really built a very simple arrivals and departures process for travelers. And as we emerge out of this post-COVID world at some point and travel starts to resume, I think you'll see the benefits of what the facial recognition technology will bring to us as we partner with the airlines and the airports to provide, again, not only a safe and secure travel process, but one that's intuitive and simple and touchless and contactless. So therefore, when we think in terms of COVID and the pandemics, it's touchless. So I think people will certainly be a lot more cognizant of that as they travel. So thank you.
Liz Herman, Centre LLC. I was recognized for the USDA Contact Center Center of Excellence Knowledge Management work that I completed with Sandra Dickinson, who was my GSA lead. Certainly consider Sandra one of my customers as our GSA lead, and the USDA employees and also the USDA customers, the farmers, ranchers, and producers. My proudest moment was when we took our first phone call and a CSR was able to use the knowledge base that we created to answer a question about pet travel. So you may not know this, but USDA gets a lot of questions about how people can bring their pets into and out of the states. And we had a CSR who was not a specialist in pet travel, but she was able to use our knowledge base and answer that question. So that's my proud moment. Congratulations to Sandra, and thank you for the recognition. I've been working with the government my whole career, and it's wonderful to receive this recognition. Thank you so much.
The IRS Tax Withholding Estimator team would like to thank the Service to the Citizen Awards Selection Committee for recognizing our work to change the simple IRS withholding calculator into a more effective and user-friendly tool. Our users are all individual taxpayers with wages or salaries, self-employment income, and or pension income who want to update their withholding at any time in the year to make sure they don't have too much or too little tax withheld from their pay. Our team expanded the functionality of the estimator, improved the user experience, and reprogrammed it according to modern standards for usability, versatility, and efficiency. One of our proudest moments as a team was seeing the very positive media coverage after we deployed the first version of the estimator in the summer of 2019. But you can make us even happier if you go to irs.gov today and use the tax withholding estimator. We are happy to be part of the 2020 Service to the Citizen Awards celebration, and we hope you use the tax withholding estimator in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Justine Trainer, and I'm a product manager with the Social Security Administration. My product is part of the agency's larger IT modernization effort. We are transforming Notice legacy systems into an enterprise communications processing system. We are building modern capabilities to generate and deliver hundreds of millions of notices annually to the American public in their preferred delivery channel. I'm proud to share that our product enables online communications as part of the My Social Security web portal. I enjoy hearing the positive feedback from our customers, including beneficiaries who choose to go digital over paper. Easy access and a recommendation for family and friends.
Hi, my name is Ed Moore, and welcome to my home in Great Falls, Virginia. As far as the customer is concerned, I think I'd have to say it's always been the American people. Over a 24-year career in government, and then 26 years in the private sector, serving almost exclusively government customers. On a personal note, though, I think my customer has always been the American veteran. The privilege of working and serving America's veterans at the VA has been the highlight of my career. Coming up with a singular moment to describe that, however, I think over a 50-year period is just about possible. On a professional level, I'm particularly proud of the introduction of enterprise architecture, the modernization of VA's networks, the introduction of professional cybersecurity into the VA, the development of many applications and the improvement to systems and applications that serve veterans are all highlights. On a personal level, meeting the thousands and thousands and thousands of veterans that I was privileged to meet and to serve has been truly a highlight of my career. I think some things such as the Operation Jumpstart, Operation Covert Santa, the Friday night dinners, a vet IT program where we were able to hire disabled veterans directly into the VA via our direct hiring authority, all things I'm particularly proud of. I'd like to take the moment to thank Martha Doris for this honor and her team at Doris Consulting. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Purdy. I'm the Executive Director for the VA Patient Experience Program for the Department of Veteran Affairs. I want to thank you very much for the Service to Citizens Award. It is my honor to accept the award, and I do so on behalf of the 400,000 employees that are working day in and day out to take care of our nation's heroes. At the Department of Veteran Affairs, we take care of almost 9 million patients and have hospitals and clinics all across the country. We've worked really hard to improve the patient experience by making things easier, more effective, and more emotionally resonant so that we can build trust. So thank you very much for acknowledging our hard work. About 80% of our hospitals have improved over this past year, and we are going to continue to go after those scores and continue to make things even better. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Hello, My name is Charmaine Bogue. I am the Executive Director of Education Service at the Department of Veterans Affairs. It's an honor to be here with you today. I like to say I oversee all things GI Bill. There are 5 education programs in our space. We serve nearly 1 million individuals each year, to include service members, veterans, and dependents. It is an honor to be here to take a moment to honor those who work hard each and every day to best serve our student veterans. Thank you to our OIT partners who over the last 3 years has worked right by our side to ensure that we implement major changes to the education program. I thank you for the time, and it's a pleasure.
Hi, my name is Susan Hadari, and I am the Stakeholder Manager for the My Healthy Vet Program Management Office under the Office of Connected Care with the Department of Veterans Affairs. And on behalf of the entire National My Healthy Vet team, it is truly my privilege and my honor to accept the award, Service to the Citizen, Champions for Change, honoring and recognizing My Healthy Vet coordinators across VA. So for those of you who may not be familiar with My Healthy Vet is VA's personal health record, and it has been in existence since November 11th, Veterans Day, 2003. And it truly is because of the dedication, compassion, and hard work My Healthy Vet coordinators and champions have put into My Healthy Vet to make it the success it is for veterans. So again, on behalf of the entire My Healthy Vet Program Office and the Office of Connected Care, congratulations, My Healthy Vet coordinators. We thank you and we honor you. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jeffrey London, and I'm the Executive Director of the VA Home Loan Program at the Department of Veterans Affairs. Each and every day, my team and I are proud to serve our nation's veterans and service members to help them achieve the American dream of home ownership. And it doesn't matter whether we're helping a veteran to purchase a new home, to refinance their existing home, or to help disabled veterans to modify their homes so that they live more independently. It's very easy to get excited about this mission each and every day. And it also is amazing that this mission translates to all of the partners that help us to make this happen, whether they're members of the mortgage industry, technology providers, real estate agents, etc. Everyone who has a part in a transaction in helping a veteran or service member to use his earned benefit can get behind this mission. And we also know that this program touches not only the veteran, him or herself, but it also touches their family members and the communities in which they live. So thank you for this opportunity to share my story with you, and thank you for this amazing recognition. But this is more about our team and about the veterans to whom we serve. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Cindy Clark, and I am the Director of Program Delivery at 3WAR Systems. Our success is in doing meaningful work that makes a difference in the lives of others. Our greatest achievements show in our metrics, the cases of domestic violence and child abuse in the military that are supported by our decision support tools, the veterans for which our licensed professionals have provided coaching to improve their lives in their new civilian world, and the care coordination and benefits navigation that we've provided for those reaching out for help in difficult times. We are making a difference together, serving our citizens. Thank you, Service to the Citizen, for this honor.